Hey, good afternoon, Robert. Sorry about the little miscommunique there. I was under the impression for some reason that you were using straight AutoCAD, but now that I see you're in mechanical, we'll take a look at that one. I'll be able to guide you in the right direction, but there's probably a little bit more work than I don't know if you want to undertake it or not, but I'll let you know. You do know that in mechanical, it's kind of a part-based thing, but if this was created in a 3D file, it's only going to show up as 2D in mechanical. And so it doesn't quite work the same way, but there is a workaround for it so that you can identify objects and be able to get them to show up in your parts list. What I'm going to show you is about the extent of what I know for it. If you need some further training on it, I'm sure if you call your solutions executive, whoever sold the software to y'all, they can get you hooked up with somebody to go more in depth with it. In short, to be able to use the balloon as opposed to the leader with a part, you're going to have to give it a part reference. So if you go up to your tab for annotate up here, and then you'll see that you have this tool that says part reference tool. Okay, so if you go ahead and click on that part reference tool, it's going to tell you to select an object. I don't know what objects you have here, but I'll just go here. And when you select that object, you're going to see this window pop up. So then what you can do is you can give it a name, and you can give it a material, vendor, what have you. And then how do you want the units to be, and then how many of these are going to be. You could, I mean, like maybe if it were nuts or bolts, you might have more than one, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave this as one. If you don't want to count it as the parts list, then of course you can check that off right here. Okay, so once you do that, then you say OK, and you'll see that little doohickey right there. So when you do go to put a balloon, it'll select that balloon right there and give it a number. And that's about all there is to it. I hope that gets you out of a bind. Have a good weekend.